Hey YouTubers, if you have a lot of microphones with really long cords and you want a simple way to tame them, keep them from driving you crazy. Over the years, I've used tons of microphones. I usually keep them in plastic bags, but then when I take them out and use them, they get tangled up on all sorts of things and they're a pain to use. What I did is, first of all, don't mind this. I hate throwing things out. This is just 2 sardine cans. I took some Gorilla Tape and I made a little case for my microphone. That's not what the video is about, but it is kind of cool if you're a cheapskate. This is such a simple idea. I just took a piece of cardboard and put some slots in it and wrapped it around. And what that does is, I usually use these in my pocket because it's a lavalier microphone. So I put one part on my lapel, and then the lead just comes off and goes to the camera as far as I want. And like I said, this part will go in my shirt pocket. This is hooked to my lapel, and this is hooked to my camera. And it doesn't get caught on everything because all of this is still on the cardboard. I made another piece of cardboard and I put a slot here so it's easier to wind it and hold it in. It's in my pocket right now. It's the one I'm using. But and when you're done, it just goes right back on, just like you had it. So if you're tired of these 16-foot cords wrapping around everything, I've had to wrap them around my tripod and I still get hooked up into it, but it's a pretty handy way to do it, I think. And it keeps everything organized. Otherwise, you end up with plastic bags, and when you take them out, they just want to come alive and grab onto things. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful to you and something to help you tame your microphone cords. Put out new videos every week. Been doing it for 15 years. Got over 1,100 videos, and y'all come back, put out new stuff all the time. You never know what you're going to find because I never know what I'm going to make. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there. I kind of like this design better. I made a slot, and it holds the line better than just having a little cutout on a tab here. So, but this is a little bit bigger, so it doesn't fit in the can. So I'm going to make one smaller that fits in the can, that houses a slot like this, because it folds up nice.